Hello, welcome to STEM School. In this lesson, we are going to talk about associative property of multiplication. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, now let's take a look what we have here. Okay, our first example. We got 3 times 2 times 5. All right, so how can we calculate this, right? So at first, we usually calculate 3 times 2 first, and then use the result 2 times 5, right? So what we will have 3 times 2, that's 6, right? So we will have 6 times 5, which equals 30 here, all right? And now let's try another method, okay? Or not another method, but another order, right? So here we calculate 3 times 2 first. And now let's try 2 times 5 first, right? 2 times 5 first. And then use the result 2 times 3, right? So 3 times the result of 2 times 5. What we are going to have from 2 times 5, it's 10, right? So 3 times 10 is actually 30 again. Okay, we have the same result, even we change the order, right? So let's try another one. Okay, let's try another one. So in this time, we are going to try 3 times 5 first, and then use the result 2 times 2, okay, to see what happened. So 3 times 5, and then times 2, right? So 3 times 5 is 15, right? So we'll have 15 times 2, which we got 30 again. So, right, so 30, 30, and 30 here. So that shows no matter what order we are doing the multiplications between the numbers, the results are all the same. All right? So this is what we call associative property of multiplication, the fancy term. Okay? So let's try another example before we make the conclusion. All right? So we have 4 times 5 times 2. Okay? So let's first try 4 times 5 first, and then times 2. So 4 times 5, we are going to have 20, right? So 20 times 2, we got 40, right? So the result is 40. And now let's try again, 4 times the result of 5 times 2, okay? So we are going to do 5 times 2 first, and then 4 times the result of that, which is 4 times 10, right? So 5 times 2 is 10, 4 times 10, which is 40 again, okay? And now let's try this time 4 times 2 first, and then use the result 2 times 5, right? So 4 times 2, we've learned it's 8, right? So 8 times 5, it's 40 again, okay? So the term tells us that in the multiplications, okay, in the multiplications, no matter what's the order the number is, or what's the order of a calculation is, the results are going to be the same. All right? So it's not just between 3 numbers. We can calculate with 4 numbers, 5 numbers, and more and more. The results are always the same. That's everything for today's lesson. Please click like if you like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.